Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about the fluid mosaic model. Okay. In previous video we had already discussed about uh, the Liquider model and the Singer-Nicholson model, and in this video we will discuss about the Singer-Nicholson model that is given by the that gives the fluid mosaic model. Okay. Fluid mosaic model was given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972 and hence called Singer and Nicholson model. It means this model was given by Singer and Nicholson. They are the two scientists. Okay. In 1972, in this year they give the fluid mosaic model, and also they called a name that this model was also called Singer and Nicholson model because it was given by the two scientists whose name is Singer and Nicholson. Now our next point is it is the latest and most accepted model regarding the structure of plasma membrane. As we all know that rest 3 model were totally wrong, but this is the latest and most accepted model regarding the structure of plasma membrane. Now the third one is, according to this model, protein are arranged phospholipid layer as mosaic pattern. It means according to this model, protein are arranged and phospholipid layer are in mosaic pattern. Okay, and protein iceberg instead of phospholipid. It means they are, according to this model, they are in the mosaic pattern, and the also protein are arranged in the like a iceberg. Okay. Next one is, plasma membrane consists of phospholipid and protein. It means plasma membrane consists of two type of things, that is phospholipid and the second one is protein. We learn about the two things, that the phospholipid and protein, in detail. First of all, there is phospholipid. So let's read about the phospholipid. That is, it is the main component of plasma membrane because it forms continuous structure frame of cell membrane. It is the main component. Which one? The phospholipid. Okay, of plasma membrane because it forms continuous structure frame of cell membrane, because it form continuous structure to the cell membrane. Okay, that's why it is main component of plasma membrane. Next one is, main type of phospholipid are phosphodiesterine and phosphodiecholine. Okay, these are the main type of phospholipid which are present in the phospholipid. After that, phospholipid layer provide fluidity to plasma membrane because phospholipid are rich in unsaturated fatty acid which are lipid in nature. It means phospholipid layer which provide what? Fluidity to the plasma membrane. Okay, with the help of phospholipid, it provide fluidity to the plasma membrane. Okay, it means the fluidity of the plasma membrane is due to the phospholipid layer. Now, because phospholipid are rich in unsaturated fatty acid which are lipid in nature. Okay, it means it is just because why? Because it is fluidity to plasma membrane because phospholipid are rich in unsaturated fatty acid which are lipid in nature. in nature. Okay. Next point is this is all about the phospholipid. Okay. Why it is in the plasma membrane and also what are the importance of it. Our next point is few amount of cholesterol are also present in plasma membrane. It means some few amount of cholesterol are also present in this membrane. Okay. This cholesterol are more rigid than phospholipid. It means cholesterol are more rigid than the phospholipid. Okay. It helps in stability to the plasma membrane. Okay. It helps in the stability of the plasma membrane. Okay. If there is no any we can say the cholesterol, then it can be also shrink. Okay, that's why it helps the stability to make the stability to the plasma membrane. Our note point is that cholesterol is absent in membrane of prokaryotes. Okay, it means it is absent in the prokaryotic cell. Thus, pentose cholesterol provides stability in prokaryotic cell membrane. It means if cholesterol is absent, then the cell of prokaryotic cell cannot be stable, but there is a new type of cholesterol is found, that is pentose cholesterol, that provide the stability in prokaryotic cell membrane. Just like you see that in the eukaryotic cell there are nucleus is well developed nucleus is present, but instead of it in prokaryotic cell there is a nucleoid is present. Okay, but still they are working in the same way. Here is also the same thing is written, that pentose cholesterol helps to provide the stability in prokaryotic cell membrane because because cholesterol is absent in that membrane. Okay. Now let us discuss about the protein, our next component, that is of the plasma membrane. This is all about the phospholipid, that it is the main component of plasma membrane. Okay. And second one is two types of phospholipid, that are phosphodieserine and phosphodiecholine. Okay. Next one is it provides fluidity to the plasma membrane. Next one, that is cholesterol present to provide stability to the plasma membrane. After that, about the prokaryotic cell, that pentose cholesterol helps the stability to the stability in the plasma membrane. Now let's discuss about the protein. Okay, that is the next component of the plasma membrane. Okay, so let's see about the some points related protein. Plasma membrane have protein. Okay, it means plasma membrane also have protein. We had already seen in the previous slide. Okay. Now these protein are of two types on the basis of arrangement. It means these protein are of two types on the basis of their arrangements. They are divided into two groups. Okay, first one is intrinsic protein, second one is extrinsic protein. Okay, these are the two proteins which are divided into the basis of on the basis of arrangements. Okay, so let's discuss about the intrinsic protein. Okay, so this protein highly binds. These protein highly binds with phospholipid. We all know that what is phospholipid. Okay, phospholipid is a type of lipid which is present in the plasma membrane. Okay, so this protein highly binds with phospholipid and thus it cannot be separated easily. Obviously, if it is highly binds with the phospholipid, then how can we separate? Okay, that's why the same thing is written. This protein highly binds with phospholipid and thus it cannot be separated, okay, easily. Now our next point is some intrinsic protein are confined in lipid by completely or partially. Okay, It means some protein are also confined with lipid wire, some with the highly binds with the phospholipid, and some they are confined with completely or partially also. Okay. So next point is some integral protein travels in thickness of plasma membrane. Okay, it means some integral protein are travels in the thickness of plasma membrane. These proteins are known as tunnel protein. Okay, if they are present if these protein are present in the thickness of the plasma membrane, then these protein are known as tunnel protein. Okay, these tunnel protein, which helps in passes of water soluble material across the plasma membrane. It means this tunnel protein helps the passes of water of soluble material that can be soluble across the plasma membrane. Okay, see here that this one is called the tunnel integral protein. Okay, it presents we can say the okay, what we have here, that it travels in the thickness of plasma membrane. So that's why they are called some integral protein. It means the protein, they all are protein, but if they have different names, they have different name in the different places. Okay, so if they are traveling towards the thickness of plasma membrane, so that's protein are known as the integral protein. Okay, you can here this one is the thickness and this protein is this one. This protein is traveling okay, this one is traveling to the thickness of plasma membrane. That's why it is called the what? Tunnel protein. Okay. After that, it also helps to pass the materials that is soluble. Okay. This tunnel protein extended term outside known as a transverse protein or transmembrane, but and these transmembrane are also present inside it. It means if this protein extended term outside known as, it means we can see here that these protein are extending from outside. Okay, the same thing is written here that this protein extending term outside. Okay, as known as the transverse protein or the transmembrane. This transmembrane are also present inside it. This transmembrane can may be glycophorin, porine. Okay, it means this can be glycophorin. Okay, porine, this one. Porine is found in outer mitochondrial membrane. Okay, where is porine found? It found in the outer mitochondrial membrane. After that, and also bacterial membrane. Okay, this porine found in two types of membrane. That is, first one is mitochondrial membrane and second one is bacterial membrane. And the last point is intrinsic protein is 70% of total protein in plasma membrane. It means intrinsic is total protein in plasma membrane, that is 70%, and extrinsic is 30%. Okay, this is all about the intrinsic protein. Okay, that protein is found in two types of membrane. First one is mitochondrial membrane and second one is bacterial membrane. And after that this transmembrane can be this tunnel protein extending term from outside known as a transverse protein or a transmembrane. These transmembrane are also present inside it, and this transmembrane can be glycophorin or porine. Okay, right, or porine. Okay, before this tunnel protein also helps in pass of water that is soluble process of water soluble material and also the soluble material across the plasma membrane. Okay, some integral proteins travels in the thickness of plasma membrane. These protein are known as tunnel protein, and some are intrinsic protein are confined in partially and also confined by lipid by partially and also completely. And mainly the intrinsic protein highly binds with the phospholipid and it cannot be separated with the phospholipid. Okay, before this we had discussed about the protein, that plasma membrane have protein. These protein are of two types on the basis of arrangement. Okay, first one is intrinsic protein and second one is extrinsic protein. Okay, before this we had discussed about the phospholipid, that is the main component of the plasma membrane. Okay, because it forms the continuous structure or frame of the cell membrane. After that it is the main type of phospholipid are only two are two names, that is are of two names, that is phosphodieserine and phosphodiecholine. Okay, phosphodiet and phospho. It is phosphodieserine and phosphodiecholine. Okay, after that there is phospholipid layer provide fluidity to plasma membrane because phospholipid are known as are rich in unsaturated fatty acid which are lipid in nature. Okay, that's why it provides fluidity to plasma membrane. After that few amounts of cholesterol are present in the plasma membrane, just because with the help of cholesterol plasma membrane maintains the stability. Okay, but in the point is that in the prokaryotic cells it is absent in cholesterol is absent in it, so there is mandatory cholesterol is present to helps them to provide the stability of the cell membrane. Before this we had a study about the fluid mosaic model, which is the latest and most accepted model of the plasma membrane. Okay, it is given by the Singer and Nicholson, who the two scientists. Okay, and it is given in the year 1972, hence called Singer and Nicholson model, and it is also called Singer and Nicholson model or a fluid mosaic model. It is the latest and most accepted model regarding the structure of plasma membrane. After that, according to this model, protein are present, phospholipid layer are in mosaic pattern. Okay, mosaic pattern. You can say that like this. that you can say the have you eaten the roseberry? Okay, in the same way this protein are arranged like that. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this one is the roseberry. Okay, and this is the phospholipid. Okay, this one is the head of the phospholipid, and this one is the tail of the phospholipid. Okay, after that this one is a protein which is injected in it like a roseberry. Okay, this one like this type. Okay, someone is like on this way, and this one is a integral protein. Okay, you will read this structure. Okay, also about this structure. Okay, in detail. And after that this one is a hydrophobic tails. We all know that these two are hydrophobic tails, and these are the phospholipid bilayer. Okay, and this one is phospholipid molecule, and these are the heads of the phospholipid. This one is carbohydrate. Okay, glucuron protein. This one is a glycolipid, and this one is a glycolipid. Okay, this one. And this one is peripheral. Okay, that one. That's one. And these are the filaments. Okay, filaments of cytoskeleton. We will read this this further. Okay, till here we have to only study about the structure of plasma membrane. Okay, these are the cytoplasm, and this one is the extracellular fluids. Okay, so this is about the fluid mosaic model. I hope you understand. Okay, and also about the two types of protein, that is on the basis of their arrangement they are having two names, that is extrinsic protein and the intrinsic protein. Okay, in this video we had already discussed about the intrinsic protein. In the next video we will discuss about extrinsic protein and also about the glycocalyx. Okay, glycocalyx is a type of you can say a outer membrane. Okay, of a bacterial cell, you can say. Okay, that it present in outer surface of cell membrane. Okay, generally it present in the, you can say, in the prokaryotic cell. Okay, glycocalyx. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.